What's going on, everybody? David here again. Hey, today got a good show for you. Gonna do a new unboxing. It's gonna be one of my first videos doing a tech unboxing. This is the $100 unboxing. So stick around, check it out. Let's see what's inside. Do some reviews on them later. But yeah, stick around. Here we go. All right, guys. So David Geron here. I do reviews and stuff on tech, gaming, different things like that. Today we got a box, $100 worth of tech stuff that I'm going to unbox here in front of you, let you see it, talk about it a little bit, and hey, I'm going to leave some links below in case there's anything here you see that you like, and you can check it out too. So hey, let's not wait any longer. Let's cut into this thing. It's got my trusty steak knife here. Kids, don't play with these at home. Probably not the best thing to use for this, but we'll get another one day. Alright. Let's see what we got. Alright. First of all, let's see what this is. Alright. Got another Power UI, USB, 4 ports, 3 outlets. So show you that right there. It's one of those that has USB ports and plugs into your wall, so you have USB ports, a couple more plugs. Definitely love having these. There you go. And the cool thing about this is it's got a little slot here on the top. So if you got it next to your bed or something, you can lay your phone on it. What these are really good for is if you like to go on cruises and stuff, usually they only have one outlet, so you can plug this in and give you multiple outlets, USB stuff, charge your phones obviously, of course your batteries for anything that you might need throughout the day, and of course now it's got a shelf for you to put your iPhone, your Galaxy, whatever smartphone you have right there, so it's right there for you. This one actually screws into the wall. The other one I have just plugs right in, and this one's got the backing, it's got a little piece back there to also plug in. So this one screws in the wall, so maybe this is not the one to take on a cruise. The other one looks like it might be a little bit better for a cruise. But hey, this looks pretty cool, man. It sticks in the wall, very stable. I like that a lot. So that's number one. All right, let's keep it going. What do we got right here? All right, this is embarrassing because this is not what I ordered in this pack for y'all. I ordered something else. I'll have to check on that. I actually ordered this completely separate because I wanted it for my GoPro today. It is a tripod by Acuvar. I think this one folds out to like 50 inches or so. Let's go ahead and, well, see, there's a little mount for the GoPro. Very nice. Open her up. Come here. Oh yeah. I mean, just a tripod. Will hold my GoPro and help stabilize things a little better. So this will still keep it under $100 because this is the same price as the other thing I got. But hey, I mean, it's still tech, it still works. Not really what I expect in this pack, but hey, who doesn't love a surprise, right? So that was number two. Let's go number three here. We've got the Govee lights. These are LED lights to go on the back of your TV. This one is actually made for the back of a TV. I believe it just has the USB hookup. Of course, you can, looks like you can set scenes, timers. The thing I like about Govee is it's a lot cheaper than Philips Hue, but the quality is still there. It's still very bright. You can still set scenes with it. This one actually is in music mode. Philips Hue does not have a music mode that I'm aware of like what these have. So I absolutely love the Govee lights. Stick around, I'm definitely going to do a review. And I've got another set because I'm going to put them up somewhere, so I'll show you how to install them. Show you how good they look. I absolutely love these lights. One of my buddies actually turned me on to Govee, and I think they're a great bridge between maybe the real cheap on Amazon and up to Philips Hue, LifeX, all those type. But hey, check it out in the bottom. Link, I'm going to link them below. I'm going to link this one. I'm going to link the other set I have below so you can check them out too. If you like them, I think this one was around $22, something like that. So they're not expensive, and I love that with my LEDs because I'm an LED freak. I love having my stuff everywhere. So that's number three. Hey, if you like the video so far, you like what you're seeing, shoot a big thumbs up for me. It really helps me with everything I'm doing. gets the word out there. It's a new channel, so if you can, just take that second and do it for me. If you don't mind, if you don't want to, no big deal. All right. So, this is a gaming keyboard and mouse pad. My wife, I actually have a Razer mouse and a Razer keypad, but my wife does not like snakes, and well, it has snakes on it, so we can't have that anymore. So I went and bought some. These are cheap. These are not, like I said, these are not super expensive. Nice little mouse. Man, I like the way that one looks. I actually like that better than the Razer, how it looks at least. Not sure how it'd be great, if it'd be any better for gaming. I'm sure the Razer is going to be better for gaming or whatever, but we don't do a whole lot of computer gaming. We just do our normal Excel and spreadsheets and all of that stuff. So a lot of work on the computer. And here's the keyboard. Man, that looks sharp. Of course, I've become an an RGB freak. So everything that is lit up really excites me. Let's see. They're pretty clicky, a little soft, not bad. I'm not really a keyboard anal type person. I can work with about anything. That's got the little tabs on it, you know, if you need to set it up. And it is wired, USB. Very nice setup. Hopefully I'll get a little video in here for you of what it looks like all lit up with the mouse and everything. These things they look great. The mouse, nice and ergonomic. It fits your hand good. Absolutely love that. And then of course, what I didn't know is it came with a mouse pad. Now I'm not going to be using it because I have a Razer mouse pad that lights up, so I'll use it instead of this thing. But hey, it came with one, so that's pretty nice. And now this setup, I believe these were only like $27, and that got you both of them. So that's pretty nice. That's not bad for 20 bucks. Now we'll see how long they last. Like I said, these are cheaper gaming ones. I mean, the gaming ones can go up to, you know, $100, $200 just for the keyboard or whatever. This is $17 or what? I say $27. So we're going to check them out, see how they look. Hey, I'm pretty excited about that. So, yeah, that's that. Alright guys, so that's it for the $100 tech unboxing. I believe it was like right at $98, and this was $1 more than the other item that I actually ordered. I'll actually put it on another video soon. This one's only $1 more, so this one's right at $99 and some change for everything. Hey, absolutely love these products. I cannot wait to get them out and get them used. Stay tuned. I'm going to do some reviews on these, some videos on them separately. And hey, stick around for that. If you like the video, do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe because I'm going to have more stuff coming up on this. Don't want to miss it. If you want to like it, shoot it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Help goes a long way in helping the channel. And hey guys, until the next one, we're going to do some more unboxings down the road. Xbox is coming out. Definitely going to have to order that. Review all this stuff. And again, I want to show you how these Govee lights work and install them on one of our TVs and stuff and get it looking good. So hey, like I said, if you don't mind, please subscribe. And hey, if you care, please share. Thank y'all.